There are quite a few materials that are ready to be manufactured locally instead of relying on Japanese imports. For instance, Hyundai Motor Company and Hyosung are in the last stage of testing their carbon fiber used in hydrogen-fueled vehicles.
The South Korean government held a briefing immediately after Japan proclaimed the removal of the country from its whitelist. Companies at the briefing were particularly concerned about carbon fiber, which could have been hit with additional restrictions like semiconductors. Carbon fiber is 4 times lighter than steel. Weight for weight, it is 10 times stronger than steel. It's an essential material for hydrogen fuel tanks that keep the highly volatile hydrogen gas safe. South Korea has been relying on Japan for high-performance carbon fiber.
탄소 섬유라는 것이 기본적으로 일본에서 일본 3사, 토레이, 미쯔비시, 테이진이라는 업체가 전 세계 한 60% 이상을 차지하고 있습니다. 그쪽에서 수입되는 탄소 섬유가 압도적으로 많고요.
But in the wake of Japan's recent export controls, Korean companies have stepped up the project to replace the imported material with locally produced items. Hyosung started developing carbon fiber 13 years ago. Currently, carbon fiber from Japan is used in the fuel tanks of Hyundai hydrogen vehicles. But Hyosung and Hyundai Motor are working to develop local products to replace the imports. The two companies have been working on it for 3 years, and now they're at the last stage of the safety test. The material must pass the shooting test. It should not shatter even when shot at using a gun.
저희가 지금 진행하고 있는 개선을 적용한 수소 용기 평가가 완전히 끝나는 금년 말 정도에 된다 안 된다를 말씀드릴 수 있을 것 같고.
Once the material passes the test, the carbon fiber will be used in the fuel tank and undergo a year-long road test to see how it performs. If the Korean-made carbon fiber passes the remaining tests, fuel cell tanks in local hydrogen vehicles will no longer depend on imports from Japan.